Hey guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Dito ngayon kami sa shooting. We're trying to find a place to set up. Sabi ko sa kanila dito na lang kasi meron nang nakaset up ng mga nilalagyan ng mga targets. Pero yung kasama ko naghahanap pa ng iba pang site. Sabi niya baka daw may mas maganda. Look, daming shells ng mga shotgun. May shotgun rin ako. Nakaiwan pa ng sapatos. Daming tama ng bala. Tinadtad nila eh. Ano to? Ang bigat. Ginagawa niya dun. Inuwanan ako. Ano show? And there's Mike. There's Clint and Eugene. That's Curtis picking up a rock. Put it in that, your bucket. Hindi kasha? Hindi kasha?
Hindi. Kailang butis niya.
Oo nga. Wala, mahuhulog to. Matamaan lang na konti ito.
Kung makita yung nilalagay nila.
Ano ba akala nila? Expert sila?
Ano si John Wick. Dito lang tayo ha.
Kahit
Better. That's zeros, man.
Matama ba?
Yeah, first one. What happened? Sakit? So we're gonna shoot five rounds for that. It's empty?
Yes, empty.
Rounds, yeah?
Tapos na lang?
5 lang.
I'm gonna shoot
Oh shit! Can I try?
side.
How do you load it?
Right side,
Outside. Corner.
So how do you, what's the operation on this one? Is there safety?
May safe. Ito lang ang safety.
Oh, okay,
Pero
wala na. So,
hindi
so
naka-safe.
you just charge it?
Yeah.
Tama ba yan?
Yeah, tama yan.
And then what?
Yes, sir.
Release it?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sit, man.
Bruce Willis!
Ay, shit. Uy. Hoy. Wala na. Kaapat. Uy. Baba. Sa.
How many rounds? How many rounds?
15. Dalawa.
Dalawa. I got
Tatlo.
next. Tatlo.
Apat. Ba? Lima. Ba? Okay, your turn.
Wala kayong dala suka.
15 ah. 15 rounds na ha. Don't cheat. It's only 15 ah.
I only got 15, man.
Okay, good.
15.
Okay. Uy, tayo saan kami? Nakatay kami 5-5. Teka, 15 rounds lang ah.
Kailangan ko lang 8.
Shut up.
10 lang to eh.
Ha?
10. Nagpa-practice ako mag eh. Sige, hello.
Sige. Pero 15 rounds na ah.
Dapat.
May bilangin ko yan ah.
Okay, 50 na.
Ay. One. Two. Three. Four.
Sobrang lapit pa.
4. 5. 6. Talo na. 7. 8.
8.
Lalo na, 15 rounds na yun.
15 ba yun? 10.
Oo. 8.
10 lang ah.
8 lang ah. Talo agad
No, how
tayo.
many did you get?
Huh?
7. 8.
We got 5. He got 8.
You got out. Shit, man.
No pressure, Clint. No pressure.
Bilang-bilang pa tayo.
Hindi mo naman tinamaan eh. Tinamaan mo na yung hole eh.
Pag bilang-bilang pa kaya.
First try man.
Saan na yung target?
Ayaw mo ata maglaro eh. Inanuman eh. Sinira mo agad eh.
Mas mahirap yun ha. Mas mahirap yun ha. Mas manipis yan ha.
I got it.
Naging Robin Hood.
natin may wood pa yata.
Naging Robin Hood.
Okay ah.
I-edit ko lang yan.